Is Clore AI about to dump, or can it hold this key support level? Let's find out. In this video, I'll show you the key support level that Clore AI must hold or look out below. I'll also show you the price points if this level does break to the downside. And finally, I'll give you guys some price points to the upside so that you guys can take some profits in the future if we should happen to trend upwards. But make sure you stick around to the end of this video where I'll show you just how high Clore can go in this next bull run. Let's get into it. All right, so here we are in the daily time frame looking at Clore AI. So I got some ideas I wrote out. We are in a downward channel right now, and it's just been bouncing around in here, as you can see, for really the past couple of weeks, a little over a month here. If we do happen to break to the downside, the measured move on that is going to be the length of the channel here. So if we do go ahead and break down, it's going to be looking like about 7 cents, but there is a level right there below on a monthly. I'll show you guys that in a second, where it's probably going to bounce off anyways. To the upside, we break out of this channel, we're looking at about 27 cents, but again, there are some resistance levels to the upside as well. So that key support level I was talking about is his daily levels that I have marked out on this chart here. And as you can see, right around the 19-cent price point, there has been a little bit of resistance back here, and then it turned into support, found some more support here, and as you can see, we're dropping and we're hitting that support level, just about to hit that support level right now. It just does go ahead and break down to the downside, and we do go ahead and tap the bottom of this channel. It's more than likely going to go ahead and break out of this channel to the downside, at least in my opinion. And down below there, we do have a monthly level sitting at about 11 cents. So like I said, if it does break to the downside, I don't see it going too much farther than 11 cents. That's going to be a pretty strong level there. I believe a weekly level is there as well. Yes, weekly level is tapped right there, so that's going to be a pretty strong level to the downside, right around 11 cents. So I don't see it going much farther than that. If it does, Clore price is seriously in trouble. All right, so now some price points to the upside. Let me go ahead and pull my prices out. Like I said, if we should happen to take this measure move and break out somewhere in this region, say it goes down to the bottom of that channel, let me go ahead and get rid of that right there. It goes down to the bottom of the channel, comes back up here. We're looking at it right around a 26-cent price point. If we do break to the upside, there is a weekly level here right about 21 cents. It will probably find a little bit of resistance right there, but I would imagine it's probably going to go ahead and break through there. But this is a pretty strong level as far as resistance is concerned. Pull out the fib retracement, you can see the golden pocket is sitting right there as well. And if I pull up the anchored VWAP, you can see that's coming in right around that 27 to 25 to 27 cent range. So again, a lot of resistance to the upside right here. If we do go ahead and break out of this channel here, I expect it to have a hard time breaking past the 25 to 27 cent range. All right, let me go ahead and get rid of all these real quick. Go ahead and get rid of the price points. So like I stated earlier, we have to hold this price if we do want to go to the upside. If we do go ahead and pull up the fixed range, as you can see right here, going all the way back to Wednesday, March the 6th, you can see right at the bottom of this fixed range channel, again, lining right up with that daily level. So this is going to be a pretty good support level for here. Again, if it does break down, it's going to be trouble for Clore price. All right, so again, let me show you guys the prices here. Again, if we should happen to break this level, which again, it's probably going to take a while to go ahead and break that level. Next price point is going to be on a daily at about 34 cents. And finally, next price point to the upside would be about 41 cents. So these are the three price points going upwards. It would probably be a good idea to take profits at the 26-cent range. If it does happen to break that, your next level is 34 cents, take a little more profit. And finally, after that, 41 cents, you're probably going to take a little more profit there to the upside. All right, so what about the price in this next bull run? So if we go ahead and pull the weekly up right here, and we got this right here, and if we scroll all the way up, this is based on about a 5x return, which I think is very possible. We're looking at about $1.31 to the upside. That's going off about, like I said, a 5x, and I think that's very possible. Looking at different coins that are similar in supply and price points, at least looking on CoinMarketCap, I think we can hit about $1.31. Of course, that's probably going to be my top estimate on Clore in about the next year time frame, but that would be a nice price point to go ahead and hit, and we'd be able to sell our bags for 5x, which would be absolutely fantastic. So those are my price points to the upside and downside for Clore. Let me know what you guys think. Do you agree with me? Do you not agree with me? Let me know in the comments down below. If you should happen to want to go ahead and mine Clore, make sure you check out my video on how to mine Clore right here.